When the World Trade Center fell, a specific narrative emerged immediately. Proponents of controlled demolition theories argue that the destruction was not accidental, but a pre-planned event executed with precision. Let's look at World Trade Center Building 7. Unlike the Twin Towers, this was a separate 47-story skyscraper that stood across Vesey Street. Within hours of the attacks, speculation began online, evolving into formal theories like Eric Hufschmidt's Painful Questions, published in 2002. The core claim relies on the physics of collapse. Supporters argue that an uncontrolled structure falls unpredictably with dangerous shockwaves, whereas controlled demolition uses precise calculations and structural analysis to dictate the exact direction of failure. According to these theories, the structural supports were not removed by accident. Instead, electrical systems were severed and load-bearing columns were weakened in a specific sequence to ensure the edifice collapsed into its own footprint. This approach suggests that engineers performed careful sequencing so the structure fell straight down. The theory posits that without cutting specific supports and weakening columns in order, a building of that height could not have collapsed vertically into its base. The implication is significant. If the supports are cut with precision rather than failing randomly, it implies an intentional act of destruction. This narrative has become a recurring theme in the broader movement questioning official accounts. Ultimately, this theory represents a clash between standard structural failure models and the idea of engineered demolition. It asks us to consider how precise calculations can dictate a building's final moments against the chaos of destruction. We've explored the arguments surrounding WTC 7 and the mechanics of controlled demolition. What do you think about these claims? Share your thoughts in the comments below.